Hello and welcome to another video looking at After Effects. We look at trimming layers today. So you can see we've got this clip here, which is a deer, and what I might try and do is say we wanted to trim when the deer turns here, and we want this point to line up with the beginning here at 1 second. So one way we could do that is we just hold down the Alt key and press the left square bracket, and then we can position our here, and then if we just press the left square bracket here, you can see that that's synchronized it exactly where we want it. So that's one way that you could do it. You could also do it with the layer panel. You may also notice that we've got this section is now missing. The other way we could do it is to use the layer panel here. So if we look at the actual clip, you can see the input here is going to be 1 second. So we can do an input of 1 second here. You notice that doesn't change it in the layer panel. So at this point, nothing is happening. So we need to find the spot now in using the layer panel where the deer is going to turn. And that is about here, right? So if we do this as the input, you'll notice that we keep the same place in the timeline, but now when we actually play the video, again, we're going to have nothing at the beginning and it's turning at exactly the right time. We can change the output to be about there. Let me make it a bit smaller so we can actually see what's going on. Even smaller. So you can see as we do this, the input point, so even though the clip is much shorter now, we're going to make it much shorter. Let's just run it from timeline. It's running exactly the same spot. So you can see the advantage here using the layer panel. It means that I can essentially, we can really start to, I can make this an input point. We get a bit more here. If I wanted to maybe move the clip a bit down, it would be pretty straightforward just to go here. So you know what, I want this to be the endpoint. And again, we're going to start right in line with this. I want it a bit further down, maybe over here. And at no point do we have to worry that it's not going to start at exactly the same point as that red square starts. So thanks for watching.